And 4 drops of phosphoric acid. That's a standard etch for most. The drawing is very, very delicate rather than you move it around with a brush. Like delicate areas, you can use just plain gum. And we're just slowly kind of working into this one.
And so what are you spraying onto it at the moment?
It's just water.
Anyway.
Yep. And you're going to move it around with your hands. So move to all corners of the net. All
okay.
Stuff. So let's get your hands right into it.
Okay.
You get right to the center there as well. Then you're going to change the
okay.
sword right down into the guts of the stone. That's it.
Is that enough? A bit more? Going backward and...
You're going to retire that piece of plastic in your left.
Yep. You like it? Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready.
Always upside down.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Like that?
Back and forth. The gum that's removed. This is raise this up. This is it.
Okay.
Right, okay.
You can feel that.
Yeah, we're going to use 2 hands, I think. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very good.
That's quite nice. Like the outline has come through. Yeah, but I think just bringing up a bit more of that tone in the stone here, Theo, is...
Yeah. I'm doing some, just gently breaking down the gum today, but I'm really excited with the idea of getting some reef colours in there. And then kind of tapering it off to a kind of a organic medium because you're working with organic.
Over with terps.
Yeah.
So do you print onto an existing